Hi there! Let's talk about the lessons you'll see here in Achieve 3000 Literacy. Each lesson that you will work on is a bit different. Some will have 5 steps and others will only have 1 or 2. You can tell how many steps are in the lesson you're reading by looking at the progress bar. You'll move through each of these steps in order, unless your teacher asks you to do something differently. To move from one step to the next, you'll need to complete the work in the panels below. This left side is your reading panel, and this is where your article lives. The right side is your instruction panel, and this is where you'll work. Let's go through each of the lesson step options. We'll use a 5-step lesson as an example, but remember, the lesson your teacher has assigned may not have all of these steps. In the Ready step, which is first, you'll answer a question to help you think about the lesson. You may also watch a short video, read a quote, or simply answer a poll question. You may also notice that the article may be blurred out, and that's okay. You don't need to read just yet. That comes next. The Read step is where you will read the article. Check out the cool picture that goes with it. There may even be a video at the bottom. Read the article carefully and click on any underlined words that you don't recognize. You'll be able to see and hear more about that word. If you want to see the toolbar, highlight a word or group of words and the toolbar will appear. Choose the option that you want to use. Let's say you want to use the highlighters. Use your mouse or cursor to mark the words, then choose the highlighter option and select your pen color. The words you marked are now highlighted. Don't forget to use the Notes tab to write down important things about what you're reading. Click the Next button at the bottom of the article when you're done reading. The Respond step asks you a series of questions about what you've just read. Take your time with these questions and answer carefully. You'll get 2 chances to get the correct answer, but read carefully to get it right on the first try. When you've answered all the questions, you'll see your results. Click Next at the bottom to move to the next step. The Reflect step helps you think about what you've read. Just like the Ready step, you may see a short video, a quote, or a poll question. It may even be the same poll question you saw before. This is a chance to see if what you've read has changed your mind. If it hasn't, that's okay. After you've answered the Reflect question, click Submit. When you scroll down, you can see what others in your class wrote and see how other kids all over the world responded. Click Next to move on. The last step is the Write step, where you'll use those notes that you wrote down and the information in the article to answer the question. Take your time and use the Writing Tips button to help you with your work. When you've finished and checked your work, click Submit. If your teacher asks you to do something differently, follow those instructions. To help with extra practice, your teacher may also ask you to complete the stretch steps in the lesson. Remember, not all lessons have the stretch step, but your teacher will let you know when it's time to work with that part of the lesson. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and happy reading!